In Chernihiv, Ukraine, a Jewish man operated a factory that ran 7 days a week. He once got a visit from the holy Chafetz Chaim, who begged him to close up shop on Shabbos, on Saturday. The factory owner responded. He said, "Do you know that this factory generates 4,000 ruble a day? Are you telling me I should lose out that amount of income every single week?" And the Chafetz Chaim responded, "Would it be better if you lose out all of your income? Let me explain. As it says in our Parsha, Sheshes Yamim Teyasa Malacha, for 6 days you should do work, and on the 7th day you should rest." Why does the Torah tell us about the 6 days you should work? Wouldn't it be enough just to say on the 7th day you should rest and not do work? It's because the Torah is hinting us the mechanics of how we'll be successful. If you want to have 6 productive days of work, you must rest on the 7th day on Shabbos. The factory worker laughed it off and he said, "Oh, so you're telling me that the Torah understands how I need to run my factory? No thank you." And the Chafetz Chaim left. A short while later, the Bolshevik attacks came to the city and they took away this man's entire factory, although he survived. And he realized how true the Chafetz Chaim's words were, and he wrote him a letter telling him, "I see that the Torah indeed does know how I should run my factory." If you truly believe in the concept of Shabbos and Hashem's involvement in everything that's going on in the world, you'd realize that cutting corners on Shabbos may feel like a shortcut, but it will lead you nowhere. Have a great Shabbos.